Most people in the UK in workplace pensions are getting poor returns. You're relying on a pension that may barely be beating inflation. So what do you do about it? What's the solution? What's the call to action? I'm going to get to that. And yet you probably haven't checked it for months or years anyway. Okay, so here, let me give you some of the statistics which are a real problem. The average return on many UK employer pensions is about 3 to 4% a year. The source for this is the Financial Conduct Authority, PensionBee as well. UK inflation since 2000 has averaged about 2 to 3%. So it's wiped out most of the gains in real terms. Just 1% in extra annual fees can cost you over 30% of your final pension pot over a lifetime. The source for that is the Pension Policy Institute. Worrying, isn't it, when you consider that such a small amount can make such a big difference mathematically. So why is it happening? Well, the reason for your poor performance is the default fund. It is usually the low risk, low growth, safe, but underperforming fund your employer by default puts you in. Most people don't know what fund they're in anyway or how it's doing. They probably don't even know how to log into their employer workplace pension scheme, or indeed how to change from the limited options they'll give you in any event. High charges, lack of choice, zero active management, all of these things add up to it. So what's the action item I suggest you undertake? Well, first of all, number one, and save this video and follow me for more content on things like this. Number one, log into your pension portal. You don't know where your pension is? The government has a pension tracker, okay? Just Google .gov.uk, find pension contact details. You should be able to come to a government website. You'll know it's a government website because in the URL it'll say .gov.uk, .gov. Okay, only governments can have .gov, .uk or whatever .us in their title. Secondly, check the fund name. Is it default or lifestyle fund? Performance. Has it beaten inflation over the past 5 years? In fact, how did it perform in a down year like 2022? Has it generated at least what a index tracker like the S&P 500 index tracker did over the last 5 years, which is average around 15% per annum? Or is it doing, I don't know, 3-4% per annum? Charges, are you paying more than 0.75%? You shouldn't be, according to the FCA. Consider, therefore, after that, pension transfer. You might transfer to a sipp. Now, you could go to a Barclays, Hargreaves Lansdown, AJ Bell, whoever. They'll have on their website how to transfer to them in very simple language, and they'll do the transfer for you. This will give you more control, but you shouldn't do this unless you know what you're going to do with that control. Lower volatility tends to be exchange traded funds. Individual stocks can be far more volatile than most people understand. So how do you get educated about this? I've got a free campaign for $1 million. It's at campaignfor1million.com. It's a campaign to teach 1 million people how to add $1 million to their pensions across their lifetime. So have a look at that. There's also something called Money Helper. One word, put Money Helper pension guidance. It's a government website. It's free, into Google or any other search engine, and you will be able to go to the government website to get some free independent advice. Okay. Like I said, if you go to my campaignfor1million.com, you'll get a lot of free tools and resources there. They're also in the links in the bio. So what are your rights? Use those. Ask your employer for better options. Ask if you can opt out. Okay. Ask to take charge of your own pension. Your pension is not a piggy bank. It's a 100K plus investment portfolio. If you don't manage it, someone else will, and they'll keep taking fees out of it. Check it, fix it, grow it, right? Those are the most important things you can do with it right now. I'm going to go and do some more research on all of this and do some more videos. So like and follow for more. Thank you.